I was just running.
I would suggest that anyone who would like to sit.
You guys are more than welcome to go back and join your group.
We're not allowed to go to the Capitol?
Because this is a non-protesting zone.
Form a line, spread out, spread out!
Hands up! Our Miffy! Hands up! Our Miffy! Hands up! Our Miffy! Shut it down! Shut it down! Shut it down! Shut it down! Now! Now!
They want us to do a perimeter.
Freedom! Now! Shut it down! 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 Shut it down!
Ma'am, I'm up in 2nd East Capitol.
Our choice! Our choice! Our choice! Our choice!
Our choice!
Our choice! Our choice!
If you do not want to get arrested, you need to leave. You can take all your pictures outside the perimeter.
Guys, keep backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up.
They can stay in position.
Push it all the way down to the ballot. We gotta keep going. We gotta keep moving. You gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep moving. Hey, guys, watch this side. Okay, so make sure no one go off the wall.
Block that side there.
Excuse me, back to sidewalk, please.
Just go back to sidewalk,
Back up
please.
sidewalk.
Thank you.
Watch your step. Don't trip. We don't want to do paperwork. Extra.
That's why I was pushed so hard. Something got at the stereotypical, that's what I want to say. Just gotta go around, sir.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Abortion is healthcare. Abortion is essential. Abortion is healthcare. Abortion is murder. Abortion is repression. Abortion is we will kill them. Yes, we will. Love them both. 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 It's oppression. Abortion is murder. Their bodies, their choice. Our bodies, our choice. Their bodies, their choice. Our bodies, our choice. No, sorry.
Cannot get their health care is compromised, but so is the rest of our health care for the rest of us as well. Our bodies, our choice. 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 On 9 months. I like potatoes. I like potatoes.
You need to leave. You need to leave this. If you're not with the protest, you need to leave now. You need no, we cannot. You need to leave now. If you're not with the protest, you're disrupting us. I will get a police officer.
I'm trying to talk to people and they're getting in our way.
You are causing confrontation. You need to.
Is there anybody who represents this organization?
No, I don't think they'll speak to you. Because you are against this. No, you need to leave. This is your third warning. One more time.
Abortion kills kill. Abortion kills kill. Abortion kills kill. Pro-choice is a lie. Pro-choice is a lie. Proudly, Jewishly. It's a Jewish value. Reproductive freedom is a Jewish value. Reproductive freedom is a Jewish value. Abortion bans against my religion. Abortion bans against my religion. Abortion bans against my religion. Abortion bans against my religion.
My name is mifepristone, and I'm the Executive Director of the National Latina Institute for Reproductive Justice. And we're here because we need to urge this court to do the right thing and to follow the science and to uphold access to mifepristone, which has been used for over 20 years in a safe and secure way. It's very effective to end pregnancy, and to really look at this case based on the fact that it has no merit, and that, again, mifepristone is incredibly safe.
And why is it important for Latinas specifically these issues around mifepristone and abortion access?
Well, first, it's incredibly important because abortion bans, by the numbers, affect Latinas more than anybody else in this country. 6.7 million Latinas live in the 26 states that will ban abortion, or that have abortion restrictions.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
The majority of people in those states that already have families, that are economically insecure, and so we know that any further restrictions on access to care,
our group has gotten so big, and we have folks out here on the fringes that can't hear us when we're chanting, and we ain't gonna have that today. So we're gonna chant, for a little bit to make sure our energy and our message and our voices spread.
And so, limiting access even further will make everything more difficult for us.
Whose part?
You're right, at least I'm getting food when I'm out of it.
We are getting loud and proud, and we are saying, not the anti-Fascist white Christian nationalist forces take away our basic human rights.
I'm here today, and our organization is here today in coalition and in solidarity to really support the use and continuing use of mifepristone for abortion access. It's extremely important that mifepristone is still enabled as access for abortion, and really hoping throughout the oral arguments that the decision will be made to continue the support and access of my pill for abortion access, because it really helps create equity for individuals who need access to abortion who do not have access. It really works to help eliminate some of the health disparities that we see in our healthcare system.
Hi, my name is Destiny Lopez. I'm the acting co-CEO of the Guttmacher Institute. We're the leading research and policy organization advocating for reproductive and sexual health and rights, both here and worldwide. And we're here today because the court is hearing oral arguments on what we believe is a baseless case that is attacking access to mifepristone. Guttmacher recently released data showing that in 2023, 63% of abortion care in this country was via medication abortion, and the majority of that was through the 2-dose regimen of mifepristone and misoprostol. So any action by the court that would limit access to mifepristone today would essentially cut off access for millions of folks, people who live in the 14 states that ban abortion already, those that live in restricted states, and ultimately that falls hardest on folks who are facing systemic racism, economic inequality. While we don't know what the outcome of the case today is going to be, what we do know is that this court historically, and particularly the conservative justices, have ignored science and facts and evidence. And what we also know, though, today is that the facts and the science are on our side. Mifepristone has an amazing resume of 2 decades of safe and effective use in the U.S. And so the only right answer from the court today is maintaining full access to mifepristone.
Who is Aragana? 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 Who is Delano Castillo? Who is Delano Castillo? Who is that Bonta? No! If you give a shit about black people, you know what the fuck you are. If you give a shit, you will know what the fuck you are.
So, my name is Elisa Ketch, and I am part of Progressive Anti-Abortion Uprising. We are a coalition of progressives, leftists, and other leftist sympathizers who are all against abortion, first and foremost. And I got involved because in similar spaces, I was part of New Wave Feminists, and part of Humanize International.
group in particular. So as a result, I became part of PAAU. We're out here today protesting the abortion bill because 30 women have died from it since 2000, between 2000 and 2022. And that's a travesty. We need to have better regulation of our drugs. On top of the fact that I think it's murder and I think that it kills babies. So I have a lot of reasons for being out here, and we're just hoping that the court realizes that we need to repeal the approval of mifepristone until there's more trials and actually go through the proper process of getting it approved. And then after that, I hope we can, as a country, talk about the abortion pill and whether or not it should be legal in the first place. As long as it is legal, it should at least be safe.
Now, is your group totally progressives, or do y'all work with conservatives a lot?
We do work with conservatives a lot, so we're not afraid. We don't shy away from conservative allies, and we also are interested in taking in members who might lean more moderate to conservative, but they're interested in doing what we call rescue, which is when you go into an abortion clinic and put yourself between an abortion provider and the child who's about to be killed. So if you're pro-rescue and you think that pro-life is a progressive stance, you're allowed to come to PAL.
I'm Savannah Deritich, and I'm the Government Affairs Coordinator of Students for Life Action. And we are here today because we want to put an end to the no-testing online distribution of chemical abortion drugs, exposing women to injury, infertility, death, and even abusers. Abusers will use these drugs against women in human sex trafficking, and when that needs to be ended. As well, this also pollutes our waterways with chemical abortion and putting human remains in our waterways. So we want to put an end to that. In this case, whether you're pro-choice or pro-life, you should be for a positive outcome of this case, because it's not getting rid of chemical abortion drugs, it's only putting in safeguards and have doctor supervision for women that do take these drugs because they are dangerous. The FDA has reported that 20 women have died from these drugs,